Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my real morning routine and how I prepare a healthy traditional dish called Thukpa. So let's begin. Every morning I wake up, freshen up and then store water. Since we got Jal Jeevan mission, water supply is much easier now. We use it for cooking, cleaning and daily use. After then I watered the flowers. It helped me feel peaceful and breathing in the fresh air. Good for our lungs and mind too. Now let me show you what I am cooking thukpa. Thukpa is a hot noodle soup made with vegetables, spices and care. We add all types of vegetables and these vegetables are full of vitamins, very good for our body. Now something very special, we add a local cheese called churpe. It made from milk curd. We boil the leftover liquid, strain it, then cut into small pieces, dry it in sunlight. This cheese become hard and add it to in thukpa. Churpe is full of proteins and calcium. Also in our family, we don't use packet noodles. Instead, we made our own noodles using wheat dough. This is much healthier and give a fresh, natural taste. So yes, thukpa is not just food, it's a traditional, healthy and meaningful dish for us. Let me know in the comment, do you use homemade noodles too, or have you ever tried thukpa? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and follow for more real life English speaking and culture content. If you want a quick version, please check out my short video too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.